Saturday, September 28th, 11:17 a.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. We just finished another week in the market, and we're nearing the end of the month. Look at multiple time frames. At the broad market, the futures. First to the ES, the S&P 500 futures. On the far right, it's the monthly, meaning each candle represents a month. The current candle is not done yet. It'll be done to close on Monday. The middle is the weekly chart. And the left is the daily. Same financial instrument, different time frames. S&P 500 futures, all-time high, outstanding. Strong like bull. Higher low, higher high than the prior monthly candle. Momentum to the upside. It's bullish. Current price is almost near the top. Again, come back and look at this at the end of the month. Very important. I consider to review the updated at the end of the month. After the market closes, futures close at 5 p.m. New York time. Weekly chart, green candle, higher high, higher low. This past week, we made the new high. And we had a sell-off. Look at that wick. We have a gap here. Has not got filled yet. Inside candle, midpoint. One that's trading short, well, I'll be looking for price targets on the downside. Also, bullish, I'll be looking for opportunities to be buying on the dips on these areas. Friday, inside candle. Indecision. That's what that means. Didn't close above or below, never went above or below the prior candle, inside candle, yellow candle. Occurring top of a trend, consolidation. Indecision. That's what the market's showing here, reflecting. So if it reverses, downside potentials. Top dog of the equity index is the S&P 500. On to the next financial instrument. The yields, the 10-year U.S. Treasury yields. Monthly chart, lower high, lower low. Candles are getting smaller, wicks on the bottom. Potential reversal, even though their Federal Reserve lowered the rates. Potential reversal. Look at the weekly chart. It did reverse. Green for the week, higher high, higher low. Off the lows of the year. Broke above, filled the close above, rejected it. Midpoint, big impulse move down. Like a dragonfly candle. So we know potential retest of that body, some part of that green candle. More likely bearish bias want to look over. So this may be the sweet spot. Be looking to trade bearish. Maybe some of us already placed it. Daily chart. Massive consolidation. A lot of mixed signals in here. On to the next financial instrument. King dollar, US dollar. Red for the month. Lower high, lower low, and a new low for the year. Smaller trading range. Almost a solid body. Extremely bearish. I am still in bearish positions on the US dollar. Doing well. This week, made a new low for the year. Time to adjust the notice these big wicks on the top. Smaller wicks on the bottom. Potential retest of some of these price actions. So again, potential reversal. Overall, still momentum trending down. Daily chart, consolidation, breakdown, consolidation, staircase pattern, lower low. And had some minor buying here. Not surprised. We took out that low of the week and buyers stepped in there. Currency, US dollar pair. Euro, euro, US dollar. It's a pair. Trends up, it's bullish to the euro, bearish to the dollar. Weekly, monthly chart, higher high, higher low, currently trending up in favor of the euro. Weekly chart, new high for the year. Dragonfly candle, dodgy candle. When I say that, it's one of the both. Some people get them mixed. Small little body, top of this trend, very interesting. Potential reversal. If it reverses, one would expect the US dollar to go higher. Yep. And look at the daily chart. Huge consolidation. A lot of indecision occurring here. We still have a gap down here. The next. Go into the commodities now, the category of energy. Crude oil. Commodities are priced in US dollar. Crude oil made a new low for the month, a new low for the year. Lower high, lower low, a huge sell-off. Weekly chart. Higher high and lower low than the prior candle. Tested midpoint right there of that gap, FNG, and rejected it. Mixed singles here too because we closed above and below the prior week. A lot of wicks down here, a lot of people buying down here. And then the up here rejected it. Faster time frame, the daily, same thing. We had that fair value gap. Tested it during the week, midpoint of it, and rejected it. Huge sell-off. Finishing Friday with an inside candle. Potential reversal single. Next commodity, natural gas. Monthly chart. Huge impulse candle. Amazing. Higher high, higher low. Broke above. That impulse moved down. Again, candle's not done yet, but extremely bullish. Amazing. Weekly chart. Huge move up this past week. Look at this. This was a red candle impulse move down. Broke above it, closed above it. Also that big red candle, midpoint. Broke above it, closed above it. Seen this on multiple time frames, firming strength. Big difference in what's occurring on the crude oil. Daily chart, another gap. Huge candle. Commodity category, metals, gold. New high for the year, strong bullish candle. Monthly, weekly, trend is up. Trading range got less, tighter trading range, and a rejection on the top. Big week for the weekly. Same with daily chart, reversal. Friday, lower high, lower low, big wick, buyer stepped in there. Right there, midpoint, nice. Fair value gap too, nice. Went right into that fair value gap, nice. So again, seeing bullish bias here. Let's go on to the other metals. Silver. Monthly candle, bullish, higher high, higher low. Weekly candle made a new high for the year. That weekly candle took out that swing high. Let's remove that. Interesting. Huge rejection. Big wick on the top. Big wick on the bottom. Yeah. And looking here on the daily, that high candle, bearish pin bar, followed with a lower high, lower low retracement into that fair value gap. And buyers stepping in. Let's go into the crypto Bitcoin monthly chart. Green, higher high, higher low, big wick on the bottom. From that prior week when it tested that midpoint. The weekly chart, excuse me. Weekly chart, higher high, higher low, tested midpoint, closed above it, right at it. Daily chart. Smaller trading range, big wick on the top. And finishes it off on the faster intraday time frame for visualization. In 4-hour candles. Past 5 days, S&P 500 futures. Last 4-hour candle, lower high, lower low. Did not take out that range that prior Thursday. And your treasuries, look at that last 4-hour candle. Inside candle, tiny trading range. Bottom of the trend. US dollar. Also, last 4-hour candle, inside candle. Potential reversal. Yep, still made a lower high, lower low on this green candle. But again, green candle formed, bottom of a trend, inside candle. So close to the end of the month. What's going to happen? Crude oil, last 4-hour candle, green higher high, higher low, forming the cup pattern. And gold, green candle, but made a lower high, lower low. Bitcoin, inside candle, last 4-hour, near the high of the week. And natural gas, new high, small trading range. Look at that little tiny range. Silver, lower low, lower high, almost below spin bar. And euro, inside candle. If you'd like to get early access to my videos, I have a subscribers page for a tiny donation on my Patreon. You get these videos, same day to post it, a lot more deep inside content. The link is below in the description. Thank you for taking the time watching the video. That's it.